Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please. You are Mr. Kushinda?
Yes, sir.
Please take. Kushinda, you come from Rajasthan.
Yes, sir.
Anthropology is your optional, eh?
Yes, sir.
And primarily you are a communication engineer.
Yes, sir. Electronics and communication.
That was from BITS planning.
Which?
You did it from BITS planning?
No, sir. Sir, from NIT Kurukshetra.
NIT Kurukshetra. But was it not available in BITS planning?
Sir, it is available by.
But BITS is not near your home.
Yes, sir.
It's in
It's,
Rajasthan.
yes, sir.
Why
It is
do you
very
go all
near.
the way to Kurukshetra?
Sir, I couldn't able to clear that exam. I couldn't able to clear that exam. It's
Very good. Anthropology. So, did you meet any? How many castes? How many tribal tribes are there in India?
sir.
Has any census been carried out?
Sir, in ST there are 702 categories are there.
Ah.
And that PVTG, if we talk about particularly vulnerable tribal group, those are 75.
So, are all these 700 tribes listed, or are they scheduled in the constitution?
Sir, there are many other tribes also, but 702 are
Total.
put in ST category.
ST
There are
category.
many other tribes also, which are not put in ST.
Okay. So, what was so special about anthropology that you opted for it?
Sir, first of all, my graduation subject was not in the UPSC. I did electronics and communication engineering. So electrical is there, but electronics and communication is not there. So I have to choose.
You are talking about the civil service.
Yes, sir.
Achha.
So sir, I have to choose one optional. So I went through the syllabus of different optional. So in anthropology, I found it somewhat interesting, as well as for second, as well as I chosen because I have seen that many of the seniors have cleared with this optional. So I took.
Are you aware of the national tribal policy laid down by the government of India?
National fiber policy.
Tribal policy.
Tribal policy. Sir,
You know,
yes,
there is a
sir.
Ministry of Tribal Affairs.
Yes, sir. So tribal subplan is there, in which every district is being mapped as per their population.
I am talking about the national tribal policy.
Sorry, sir.
Please read about it. Okay. Junjunu. Junjunu is Shekhawati region?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shekhawati.
In Shekhawat region.
What is special about Junjunu?
Sir, Junjunu is one of the 33 districts of Rajasthan.
30?
One of the 33 districts of Rajasthan. Junjunu is one of the 33 districts of Rajasthan. In talking about some of its attraction points, then there are some tourist places like Rani Sati temple is there, and Haveli culture is there. In that Khetri is very famous place.
Khetri mines are
Khetri mines are
copper
there,
mines.
and copper mines are there, and the mineral that mainly is copper. In the copper in Khetri and Singhana belt is there, in which copper is found. And talking about the education, mostly that BITS Pilani is one of the reputed college in that area, and somewhat culture of defense services is prevalent in that region.
Have you ever visited these tribal people
Sir?
inside the jungle?
Sir, my village contains one of the tribal called
What tribe is that?
Sir.
Meena.
No, sir. Meena is very.
They are the people.
Yes, they are, but they are not in my region. They are like in Jaipur side. So in my region, that Gond, no, sir, Gond.
They are not there.
In Rajasthan, Saharia tribe is there.
Saharia.
Meena is there, and Bhil is there.
Bhil.
Yes, sir.
But you have not gone inside and studied there.
No, sir. My village contains one tribe, and that we call Bawaria. That name of that Bawaria tribe is there, and that has very unique culture also. That they were in the criminal tag.
Yes, they are criminal tribes.
Yes, sir.
They are still.
No, sir. No. Earlier,
They are civil servants.
no.
Looting public.
Sir, they are.
Minas are mostly dominantly in the civil services,
Yes, sir.
and the Britishers had notified them as a criminal tribe.
Yes, sir.
They are also notified as criminal tribe. along with, you said something.
Bavaria.
Bavaria. There also people. Okay. So you know something about their family structure, their
Sir, family,
marriage situation.
Sir, they are somewhat aligned with the mainstream. Now their culture is somewhat similar to our. So there is no such difference. So in anthropology, we study this kind of behavior as tribe caste continuum, where tribe and caste there is somewhat very less that difference exists now. Somewhat they are same. So that tribe caste continuum is taking place.
Earlier, sociology and anthropology used to be one
Yes, sir.
subject. Even for civil services, they were one subject, as far as I remember. But what is the basic difference between the two disciplines?
Yes, sir. Sir, sociology is primarily deals with the present society, present complex society.
Modern.
Yes, sir. Present mostly urban society. But whereas that anthropology deals with evolution of the society, where different categories exist, like primitive society are there. So primarily focus of the anthropology is of primitive societies.
Primitive.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are a communication engineer.
Yes.
And there are some terms, really brief answer, very brief.
Yes, sir.
Others also are written. What is data mining?
So data mining, we generate loads of data, but that we have to analyze some particular type of data. So that is called data mining. That big data analysis is done to extract the main data which we are looking for.
Is it same as cryptography?
No, sir.
There is no relation.
Cryptography is somewhat making the communication secured. So we do.
Encrypted,
Yes, sir. Encryption and decryption we do in cryptography.
Recently, I read in the paper 2 or 3 days back that ISRO also has devised a software for what called quantum
Yes, sir.
transmission of data.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have you heard about that?
Sir,
To protect
nowadays.
the privacy of the data.
Yes, sir. Now, earlier cryptography was more. Now the quantum technology they are using, quantum satellites.
Why quantum?
Sir, that in cryptography we send messages in form of 0 and 1, in bits, in binary form. Whereas in quantum technology we use the superposition. So it can be anything between 0 and 1. There can be the superposition of 0 as well as 1 both, and also in between the 0 and 1. So it's very difficult to crack that information. So that cryptography, that work of cryptography is done by this quantum. So we doesn't need so much.
You see, when you talk of, when one talks of cryptography, the word cryptocurrency also comes
Yes.
in our mind, although they are not related to each
So
other.
somewhat related.
They are
The concept of cryptography is used in cryptocurrency. Yes.
Bitcoin is cryptocurrency.
Yes, sir.
So, have you seen the Bitcoin?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, somewhat in India it is not legal.
Is it has it got any form?
Sir,
Like
no,
five
it's
rupees,
virtual.
100
It's
rupees?
virtual. It's virtual currency.
Virtual currency.
Yes,
So
sir.
you can't see it.
No,
It's
sir.
not picture.
No, sir.
In picture you can see it,
Yeah, yes, sir, I think.
but not.
Not
It
in-
doesn't have a form. But
It doesn't exist in
value
form.
of one Bitcoin. No, Bitcoin
Sir.
is being used or misused by the extortionists.
Yes, sir.
That I want 500 Bitcoins.
Sir, at present, yesterday I seen that one Bitcoin cost 47 lakh rupees.
Yes.
So it's very
Very easy. Eh?
Yes.
Okay.
Tell me, as a novice, I want to know what is electronic communication, your subject. How do you define that?
Well, electronic and communication engineering is a branch of branch of engineering, which particularly deals with the sending and receiving the signals or information with the help of electronic devices. These electronic devices can be anything, like sending microphones can be there, and other devices are present. So, basic purpose of the electronics and communication engineering is to send the signals from the sender and to make it available for the receiver.
Okay. So, what are the application part of it? How do we apply it? Where it can be applied?
Ma'am,
Please.
there are various fields, like we are
Which
doing the
exactly?
communication on the mobile communication we are doing.
Right.
Internet of Things is taking place, where different equipments are being connected through the information technology, and there are many other like artificial intelligence where we use sensors. So for sensors also we use electronics and communication engineering.
Okay. Tell me something about artificial intelligence and its application for the mankind, whether it is good or bad or neutral. How do you rate it?
Now, artificial intelligence is a type of technology
Right.
which which is doing mimicking the human activity. So ma'am, it can be a good, it can be a bad also, because we need regulation, because it can harm the entire humanity, it can destroy within a seconds. So ma'am, we need some sort of that regulation, as then it will be a very game changing for the humans. We can use,
Let me ask you another question. Vis-a-vis India, where there is so much of population, it will replace lot of manpower, human manpower, I am saying,
yes ma'am.
and the work can be done by artificial intelligence, by robots and others.
Yes ma'am.
Then how do we cope up with? I'm asking, my specific question is towards India.
Yes,
How important it is for us to implement artificial intelligence in many fields, whether it will help us or it will make unemployment grow.
Ma'am, particularly talking about India, we have somewhat more unskilled labor.
Right.
So for them, it will harm. It will definitely going to harm them. But if we skill them, then India can become a hub for the manufacturing of artificial intelligence. So it can be good if we can skill them, we skill the present labor.
Just pause for a minute. How do we skill them?
Ma'am, we have different programs like Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, where primary task is to skilling the people. But somewhat, ma'am, that is not.
Total illiteracy, where there is total illiteracy, how do we skill them with artificial intelligence?
Ma'am, it's.
Give me a very, very practical answer.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
don't want theoretical answer.
Yes, ma'am, it is very challenging because still 26% is illiterate are there. But we can make them for artificial intelligence also. There are many area in which we can utilize unskilled population. Where,
Give me one example.
sir, ma'am, I have to design one equipment which will be used for the artificial intelligence. But in designing that artificial intelligence, we need some sort of labor. So in that, unskilled labor can be utilized for manufacturing that. Because for that, we doesn't need so much education, because that can be trained. Those people can be trained. So we can utilize in that.
So we will work with the native wisdom of the person in India to do the manufacturing part, and then we utilize. That's what you want to say?
Yes,
Give me a good example where artificial intelligence has helped us. Give me one sector where it has already helped us.
Ma'am, in IBM, IBM is doing that utilizing artificial intelligence in agriculture.
Right.
What they are doing, ma'am, they are using sensors to help to know when the plant require the nutrients, particular type of nutrient, when it will require the water, and they are also doing that weather forecasting. So when will be the rainfall? So farmer can get the information beforehand. So it is very beneficial for the farmers.
Give me one example where we have successfully implemented and had good results.
I'm sorry, sir, I'm not aware.
Even I don't know, because it is all in the papers that this can be done, this can be done. Where is give me one specific, tangible place where it has been done and farmers are happy about it.
Ma'am, I think, sorry, ma'am, I am not sure.
We'll have to research this, and because even I don't know, but I thought that maybe it's your field, you may know. So do read and see whether we can find a good example about it, right?
Okay.
Now tell me how, now YouTube is a very popular device,
Yes, ma'am.
right? They are also using artificial intelligence,
Yes, ma'am.
and the algorithm works very well for YouTube. They are really making money out of it.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you explain that, how it works for YouTube?
That big data analysts they are doing. Whenever a person goes on YouTube, what he searches, so similar kind of videos come in
Right.
the playlist. So they are focusing on the consumer who is coming to YouTube, what kind of search he is doing. So based on that data they are collecting, they are segregating different kind of data. what kind of data is being used by particular type of person. So they will they will commercialize that for different advertisement company. So advertisement company get their information that who are their target users. So that advertisement companies will pay to the YouTube, and YouTube is earning.
So doesn't that scare human beings like us
Ma'am.
who value their privacy? Suppose I have seen something on YouTube and I don't want others to know about it, then how
Yes.
does it work?
Yes, ma'am, it is somewhat hurting the
It
privacy.
is encroachment in your privacy.
Yes, ma'am, it is, but
What you see is also known to others
yes, ma'am.
and known to organizations which are going to capitalize on that.
Yes, ma'am.
So where is the line, where we should draw a line that this is where we will use and this is where we will say no? Is there any law for that?
Ma'am, personal data is one and public data is another. So government till now haven't came with any act. Although bill was proposed in 2019. I think public data bill was name of that bill. But till now we haven't came. But ma'am, personal data we should save, and there are many other countries like European countries which have GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, I think so. So they have, and they are.
Does India have?
No, ma'am, at present,
Not yet.
India doesn't have. Recently, B.N. Sri Krishna committee was headed
Yes.
for that purpose, and they told that personal data must be protected, and for that, bill should come, act should come.
Now analyze India as far as cyber crime is concerned.
Yes,
There are so many people who report to me that they have been cheated through Facebook,
Yes,
through
yes.
very lucrative schemes and very many offers that you will get this for free, or on Instagram also so much business is happening, and all through fraud
Yes, ma'am.
means. How do we protect our citizens from that? What is the situation of cybercrime vis-a-vis the crimes happening on the digital media?
Ma'am, we have IT Act of 2000. In that, cybercrime is termed as illegal, and several provisions are there in that. So there are legal provisions existing in India, and furthermore, ma'am, CERT-in is there, Computer Emergency Response Team. That primary mandate of that institution is to look about what cyber crimes are going in India, what cyber attacks are going on in India, and also to provide some advice to the government, to the different public institutions.
Right, that's it.
Thank you.
Kushinder, you are from Rajasthan,
Yes, sir.
and suppose that you are an IS in Rajasthan.
Okay, sir.
How will you stop the drop of girl child from education?
Yes, sir. Yes, there are several challenges at present for the girls, education of the girls. First, there are also challenges about infrastructure problem, that many of the schools doesn't have basic infrastructure like washroom. So one primary reason can be the infrastructure. So if we can handle this, many of the girl child will not drop out from the schools. And another step we can take is awareness. We can generate awareness. For example, sir, if at present society, dowry is very common in our society. So if girls get education, they get job, then dowry can be minimized. So in order to make the people aware about the role of education, and they can also be saved from many other social ills regarding women like dowry, domestic violence. So education can play a very critical role. So my people will get motivated, and they will send their girl child to the schools.
India has a large population of tribal, right?
Yes, sir.
Why there is no tribal political party in India?
Sir, I think there are parties in Jharkhand. But I,
JMM, yeah. Any other?
sir, I am not able to recall.
But along the line of caste, there are many parties, but
Chini dala?
on the line of
Chini dala to
tribal
I
community.
think tribal,
नहीं, ले जाओ हल्का हल्का।
tribal, that population of tribal is somewhat segregated. They are not present at one situation, one place. So somewhat they are isolated. So for that majority, we need their huge presence at a particular.
Okay, which state have largest variety of tribal community in India?
If you allow, I can guess.
Yeah, go ahead.
I think Jharkhand, maybe.
Orissa.
Maybe, sir.
Okay. Okay, tell us about Jaraba community.
Jarawa community.
Yeah.
So Jarawa community is one of the PVTG, particularly vulnerable tribal group. So they are mainly located in Andaman and Nicobar. So somewhat, sir, they are somewhat and delineated from the mainstream society. Their living, their livelihood, their economic situation is somewhat more closer to the primitive society which existed very before.
How can we include them in the mainstream?
Sir, we should not include because they are living with their own life, and we have tribal Panchsheel Yojana of government. So that says that they should develop according to their own genius. We should not impose our culture because
Then we should not also impose the development plan on the central India, the tribe, the Naxal part that we.
yes, sir, we should develop we should do develop, but according to their genius, what they want, according to their requirement. So we should not impose, but we should develop, but according as per their need. So we should do integration rather than assimilation of the tribes.
Okay, what is Quad?
What?
Yes.
Sir, it is a quadrilateral security group which comprises of 4 main countries like India, USA, Australia, and Japan. So, particularly their mandate is to Indo-Pacific region. It should be free, inclusive, and open. So, particularly they are working on this, but at present there are many other steps taken by them, like COVID. For COVID, they are doing they are doing some collaborative action they will take.
What do you think about the China, who hides the COVID issue with the world? Did China violate the international law and human rights?
Sir, China, we accuse China that they were having the information regarding COVID, how it evolved, when it evolved, but they didn't share it with the international community as well as with WHO.
WHO, right.
Yes, sir. So on that basis, we accuse. And another issue is also there that some say that it is not a natural. Somewhat it is made in biological lab.
What is OTT?
Sir, these are over the top. Yes, platform. So they at present I think they didn't have regulation. They have some self-regulation kind of thing. So in order to make them regulated, recently government has launched some rules, guidelines. So in order to protect some very unsocial elements through the use of media.
What is salient features of new education policy?
Sir, new education policy, first of all, it is delineating from the previous education policy. Previous we have 10 plus 2 system. Now we have 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 education. Now primary focus of this NEP is on foundational literacy at earlier age of the child. And another thing is, sir, that it is giving more focus on skilling in class 9. From class 9, they will teach at least one skill to every student. So they are more focusing on that skilling also. And other that provisions of the policy is they are giving somewhat freedom to the student to choose the subjects.
Yeah.
Earlier
Voluntary
it was
coming.
either we have to choose from one stream in 11th, either go for mathematics or go for biology.
What do you write in your diary?
Sir, I write some important events which takes place in a day, so that I can get to know that what mistakes I did, so that in future the same situation comes, so that I can avoid from that kind of mistake.
Self-introspection.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. You love teaching, right?
Yes, sir.
Then why you are not going to teaching professions? Why you are?
Sir, my father is a teacher, so I have some natural tendency regarding teaching. So, but my main ambition is to be in civil service, so that I can, I can means so that sir, while remaining in teaching, I can give my service to only some particular section. But being in administration, I think that I can give my service to much larger section of the society.
So do you know Amartya Sen value is less than a teacher, the professor, the Amartya Sen. Do you know Amartya Sen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Who is he?
Sir, he is Indian economist as well as activist also.
He was a professor. He was a teacher.
Yes, sir.
Do you know his contribution?
Communication.
Contribution
Yes, sir.
of Amartya Sen. What?
Sir, he did that capability approach. He given the capability approach in economics.
So do you think his contribution is less than a bureaucrat
No, sir.
like T.N. Sesson, for example?
The TN Sesson is a bureaucrat.
Yes, and Amartya Sen is a scholar.
Yes, sir.
Do you think that Amartya Sen contribution is lesser than the bureaucrat? As you rarely said that teaching, you could contribute to the lesser society, the lesser part of the society, but as a bureaucrat, you can contribute to the larger part of the society. Can it be comparable?
Yes, sir. It can be comparable, and sometimes teachers do great things which a bureaucrat can't do. But yes, sir. My main aim is to develop socially to the people.
Okay. No.
Okay, Pushpender, you said that sociology is the study of modern society and anthropology is the study of primitive society.
Yes, ma'am.
Whereas we have sociologists called Mal Durkheim, who have given an immense and one of the major perspectives in sociology by studying Aboriginal tribes in Australia in 18th century. So, what do you think in that regard? Because they have studied primitive society and then gave a very important perspective to sociology.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, at present, the difference is not so much in sociology and anthropology. Both have somewhat overlapping domain. So, at present, sociologists are also studying the tribal societies.
You know that sociology and anthropology are being called the school system,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what's the contribution of Malinowski in anthropology?
Ma'am, Malinowski primarily gave the theory of functionality. So, as per him,
Yeah.
ma'am, every cultural aspect has some certain function to perform in that society, and due to that function, that particular trait is existing in the society.
Right, and this was given along with the Brown.
Yes, ma'am.
Malinowski and Brown both give this.
R.C. Brown also gave. Yes, ma'am.
So this is the same thing which Durkheim is talking about in sociology, that we have a functionalist perspective according to which society comes together. We act as an organic, and every part has its own role to play. Eye has its own role to play. Ear has its own, role
Yes,
to
ma'am.
play. And as a whole, we are one organism.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So it's a functionalist perspective which is even given by sociologists. So what do you think that in that way, that how come sociology is a study of modern society? Actually, anthropology and sociology is both very interrelated.
Yes, ma'am. But, ma'am, in understanding the present society, we need some concepts.
But if you are saying that anthropology is a study of primitive society, so nowadays what is the role of anthropologists are doing? Because we are not living in a primitive.
Ma'am, we are not living, but tribes are still living in the.
That means that they are the part of the modern society also.
Yes, ma'am.
They are the part of the 21st century also.
Yes,
They are
ma'am.
Very contemporary.
Yes, ma'am. They are living present.
So, you think, so the definition of anthropology is that anthropology studies the races, human evolution.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
races, when we are reading races, so we are actually see what sociology is doing. Sociology is studying society at larger level.
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Where human behavior, human races is also present.
Yes, ma'am.
Whereas anthropology is studying human races specifically.
Yes, ma'am.
They read culture, but they do not get too much beyond it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So they want to study human evolution, right? But that is the forte or that is the main thing of anthropology,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So this is the main difference. I think we need to work on that
Yes,
because anthropology and psychology are very interrelated, but there are also differences.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
differences is what that sociology is scientific study of society, which includes other subsections of any
Yes, ma'am.
society.
Yes, ma'am.
Be it polity, be it economy, be it political, structure. It's a base structure which
Yes.
involves everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Religion, whatever exists in this society. So sociology studies that.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the disciplines of social sciences and natural sciences?
Natural sciences talks about geology, biology.
That we have also social physics, sociology physics, sociology mathematics, right? But this thing is missing in anthropology. So differences I think you need to work on.
Okay.
You need to be more precise.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Because of course definitely because since it's your main subject,
Yes, ma'am.
so you need to understand because anthropology is coming out of sociology.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you do not, little bit you need to understand sociology and Nalinsky and Brown.
Arts.
They are heavily read in sociology also from the functions perspective. And Tackett Parson also you need to refer.
Okay.
So they are binding together as you have said, but then you need to understand it. You need to study.
Yes,
You study. You need to make some short notes on that,
Okay.
right?
Okay. Thank you.
So, for this is I'm giving my feedback also because after this we all feedback. So that's what you have to understand. That you need to understand what is specific about anthropology.
Okay.
When you're reading tribes, you also there is so much of study about their fossil, about
Yes,
the bones
ma'am.
also.
Yes, ma'am.
About eyes also, the structure of eyes also, the nose, the lips, the ear,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
way they particularly perform something. Whereas that sensitivity or that particularness is not there in sociology,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So sociology is something else and anthropology is something, but at the same time it's the same because here we are in anthropology we are studying human being, physical appearances in detail, and here we are studying social behavior.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's what my suggestion also. And now feedback will be very good.
So thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Your interview is over now. I have nothing much to tell you. It was a pleasant interaction we had with you. And when is your PT?
Sir, on 27th April.
Within this month.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
And you are stationed in Jhunjhunu.
Sir, I came in Delhi.
Now you
I
are
am living in Saket.
Please stay safe.
Yes, sir.
Don't move around much. That is the only art. You are very good at your communication skill is very good. Conceptual clarity also is there, and convincing answers. But थोड़ा short हो जाएगा. Brief answer दीजिए. और बाकी तो सब confidence level भी आपका बहुत अच्छा है. Articulation भी बहुत अच्छा है आपका. कोई मुझे खामी नजर नहीं आएंगे. आप ऐसे ही जाएंगे.
Sir,
कोट पेन
yes, sir.
ठीक है.
प्लेन टाई रख लेना उसमें बना हुआ है सर थोड़ा डिवाइस
हाँ प्लेन टाइप करते तो अच्छा रहेगा.
Okay, sir.
अच्छा है आपका मुझे तो कोई खामी नहीं है. बट आप सेफ नहीं है क्योंकि 27 अप्रैल इज कमिंग वेरी सून.
Yes, sir.
तो कहाँ रहते हैं?
Saket.
बाहर मत निकलिए. Read the English newspaper every day. Allows you.
Yes, sir.
Communicate with people in English as far as possible. With your friends. ज़्यादा तो मिलना होगा नहीं क्योंकि कोविड है. तो पढ़िए न्यूज़पेपर पढ़िए. डेली डे टू डे बेसिस पे अपना करंट अफेयर्स को करिए. और रिसेंट डेवलपमेंट जो एंथ्रोपोलॉजी में क्या हुआ है, कोई नया एडवांसमेंट, कोई नई रिसर्च हुई है, पढ़िए. नेशनल ट्राइबल पॉलिसी के बारे में आपको पता होना चाहिए क्या है. ट्राइबल वेलफेयर में उसके बारे में काफ़ी लिखा है तो आप पढ़िए. और राजस्थान के आप हैं तो वहाँ की जो सोशियो इकोनॉमिक इंडिसेस हैं वो जरूर देखिए. वहाँ क्या क्या चैलेंजेस हैं. फीमेल फेटिसाइड इज वेरी कॉमन. सेक्स रेशियो इज वेरी
Yes, sir.
लो, है ना.
Yes, sir.
That is because of female feticide. Domestic violence भी बहुत होती है. Dowry is
Yes, sir.
great crime,
Yes,
है
sir.
ना. तो वो आप पढ़ लीजिए. और how does it compare with the national averages, social indices, है ना.
Yes, sir.
नेशनल एवरेज कितनी है, सेक्स रेशियो कितनी है, आपके यहाँ कितनी है, क्या क्या कोई एफर्ट्स हैं, क्या है. अभी मुझे कोई बता रहा था कि वो व्हाट इज दैट मशीन व्हिच कैन टेल यू whether it is a boy or what is it machine? अल्ट्रासाउंड. वहाँ अल्ट्रासाउंड की मशीन जो लगी है, आई डोंट नो हाउ फार इट इज करेक्ट, at various centers, private centers.
It's not legal now.
Yes, ma'am. There is
Yeah,
regulation
it's
is there.
not legal.
They are not somewhat.
It's not legal, but some people are indulging in malpractice. अगर वो कैरी आउट करते हैं ना, इमीडिएटली हेडक्वार्टर में उसका मैसेज चले जाता है, ऐसा कुछ है। इसके बारे में पढ़ सकते तो पढ़ लीजिए, मेरे को जस्ट मैंने पढ़ा था कि तो इमीडिएटली मैसेज गोज टू द हेडक्वार्टर एंड ही इज अरेस्टेड। ठीक है ना, अल्ट्रासाउंड इज नॉट except for other medical purposes, इसके लिए तो नहीं है selection of 40, I think all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
You read the editorials of the newspaper because there, you get an analysis of the factual news.
Yes, ma'am.
So, कुछ editorials पढ़ते रहना. Then second thing, read about the budget because this budget is really very different from the earlier budgets.
Yes, ma'am.
Where what changes in which field the emphasis is. All this you need to read. You are good. You are cohesive and also analytical because of your engineering background. जो science पढ़ते हैं उनका होता ही है analytical brain. So that way everything is fine with you. Do you have any doubts or you want to ask anything? You ask me because ये सब हो गया है. Almost everything is covered.
Yeah.
So if you have any question to ask, तो वो पूछो.
Sometimes my communication skill, I think, so not good because English
No, no,
language.
No. You are good because
Don't lose your confidence in that.
it's all right. It's all right.
Regional, वो mother tongue का influence हुआ है, and
Yes.
it would always be there.
कोई ऐसी बात नहीं
उसकी कोई-
है ना, आपका
उसे-
articulation बहुत
It's
अच्छा है।
excellent.
Article,
Education is good.
कोई गलत
your
नहीं है।
language, we are not testing your language, and your communication skills as far as language is concerned. The main thing which I would like to see in your personality, whether you are a decision maker or not, whether you will be able to take a quick decision, and how fast and how quick you can analyze the data available to you, what are your resources, in the limited resources, whether you will be able to take the best decision possible.
Yes,
So ये सब test होता है.
Because you cannot go out of your MTA. Mother tongue, I think that's done.
Online.
और कोई डाउट हो मन में?
और कोई doubt
Sure,
है तो you
sure.
can-
आई थिंक
you can practice it थोड़ा।
हाँ थोड़ा बोलने की प्रैक्टिस कर लो और हो सकता है तो कर लो बिकॉज अब तुम्हारे पास टाइम भी ज्यादा नहीं है है ना बट अदरवाइज योर पर्सनैलिटी इज प्लीजिंग यू आर वेल ड्रेस्ड एवरीथिंग इज फाइन कॉन्फिडेंट इंजीनियरिंग बस एक क्वेश्चन और बताओ मुझे कि आफ्टर डूइंग इंजीनियरिंग व्हाई डू यू वांट टू बिकम अ सिविल सर्वेंट
Ma'am, actually,
This is a very, very pertinent question which
Yes,
will
ma'am.
be asked,
Yes,
you should be prepared for
my
that.
brother works as a doctor. He is
Okay.
working in a rural area
Right.
in Rajasthan. So he have the meeting on every 15th or in every month he have meeting with the collector.
Right.
So somewhat role of collector is much more in development of the society. So for he only inspired me to become IAS. So that
What
can
does he
continue.
do? What does he do?
He is a doctor.
He's a doctor. Okay. It's from far away. Civil services looks very lucrative, very charming, very full of glamour. People are charmed by us that oh my God, this is an officer and all this. But what I feel is ये answer convincing नहीं है,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? ये सभी बच्चे यही बोलेंगे. So you have to think. Really think a better answer.
और थोड़ा speech delivery में आप देख सकते हो थोड़ा
The better answer would be say that I feel that my calling in life is to work amidst people,
Amend people.
to
Amidst people.
amidst people, लोगों के बीच में,
बीच में
Yes, ma'am.
administrative.
and help them at the ground level because the transformation will start from the grassroots.
Yes,
And in civil services, I get an opportunity as a civil servant to touch base directly with people, and I'm a people's person. I can relate to their problems, and I would love to solve those problems at the grassroots level. ये ज़्यादा अच्छा आंसर होगा?
Ma'am, I given this at one place. They told that you can start NGO. Why civil service?
No. NGO has a limited role. You ask me questions, I will answer. Take my interview, right?
Yes.
NGO has a very limited role, right?
Yes, ma'am.
NGO has a very for registering an NGO, you have to have aims and objectives,
Yes, ma'am.
and that cannot cover the whole society. NGO will, suppose I have an NGO which works for art, promoting art and culture,
Yes, ma'am.
or education. Education through awareness of art and culture also is part of education. That's what I feel. But NGO cannot substitute a civil servant.
Yes, ma'am.
A larger role where you work in a state, or you work in a district, or when you will become a divisional commissioner, you will be handling the whole state, say Rajasthan. You have a much bigger role to play there. NGO has a very limited role to play.
Yes, ma'am.
And after, once you are with people, the kind of adulation, if you do good work,
Yes,
the job satisfaction
Yes, ma'am.
is much higher than any other job. When you do a good job and people admire you, have reverence for you, so that direct touch with people is more important. So answer बड़ा convincing होना चाहिए, because you have already wasted so many. Another student could have gone for engineering,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? आपने एक सीट highly subsidized government का वो कर दिया. We need engineers also, isn't it? तो आपका आंसर ये होना चाहिए, that I wanted to have a good job in place and try for better. It's a human endeavor to try for better things,
Yes, ma'am.
for better
Yes, ma'am.
opportunities. And I feel that civil services gives a better opportunity for me
Yes, ma'am.
to serve the society. Civil servant word se le lo. I want to serve the civil society. As a responsible citizen, I want to connect with my own people and do what it takes
Yes,
to
ma'am.
make India grow further. ये आंसर देना. एनजीओ वाला बोले तो फिर इसका ये जवाब हो जाएगा. और क्वेश्चन है तो पूछो.
मैम एक क्वेश्चन होता है, why you doesn't want to become teacher?
Why you don't want to become a teacher? बोलो, any job is a teaching. When I work as a bureaucrat, I am teaching my people who are working with me as a team.
Yes, ma'am.
So that also is teaching. Only going in a classroom and delivering a lecture, that also is one way of teaching.
Yeah.
When I'm talking to you, I'm just doing a conversation with you, this is also teaching. When I'm interacting with people and you are watching them, that also is the teaching.
Yes, ma'am.
Life is a teaching. So any place is, you can, when you when you execute yourself as a leader, you are teaching.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
My team, if I am doing a meeting with my team, what is the interaction? I am sharing my experience so that they can improve, and the output is, at the end of the day, output matters. So that also it's a larger way of teaching.
Yes, ma'am.
Your disciples and your subject matter, the stakeholders will be much larger. Your audience will be larger.
So one more question, ma'am. Sometimes they say that I graduated in 2018.
Right.
So why you didn't took job? Why you wasted 2 or 3 years?
No, you are not. Learning is never a waste. Say that
Yes, ma'am.
I was enriching myself,
Yes, ma'am.
gaining my knowledge, preparing myself for better things in my life. Because if I want to touch base with people and I want to become a civil servant, then I need to prepare and qualify for that.
Yes,
There's a system where you need to compete and become an officer.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not an easy thing. When maybe 10 lakh people appear for the exam and ultimately 600 to 700, वो तो vacancy के ऊपर depend करता है, are only selected ultimately. So that teaches you, it's a challenge.
Yes, ma'am.
It's a challenge to become. It's a challenge to study for 18 hours. It is a challenge to study for 10 hours, 18 hours, whatever. Everybody has a different way of doing things. So I accepted the challenge and I was very focused. That's why I did not scatter my brain.
Yes, ma'am.
People would also, like one question could be, why did you only, in my case, they had asked only, why did you appear only for this exam? I had not appeared for any other competitive exam. I said I only wanted to do this. I was so focused that I thought either I'll do this or I do teaching. There is no third way. I didn't appear for any other. State का भी civil services होता है ना?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I didn't appear, I didn't write any exam. I just wrote this one. I was so clear that I only want this or this. So that's the way of, how you perceive and how you say with conviction. जो बोलो conviction के साथ बोलो. Any other query?
And
मेरा interview-
cut the
मेरा
nail
interview ठीक है?
before you. Vasinda, cut your nail before
Yes,
you
yes.
go to.
So
Yeah.
thank you.
That-
Pushpinder, we have
Very
to-
good.
No, Pushpinder,
Very
I just wanted you to say the thing.
आसान होगा
Hmm.
मैं तुम्हें इसलिए बता रही हूँ कि because you know when you have doubts or you have questions, do ask the
Yeah.
panel, because from our own experience we can give you some kind of answers, and then on you will definitely say what you want to say, but say whatever you say with conviction, right? ठीक है?
Thank you.
All right.